This well-equipped TRD Sport double cab shows like new in metallic silver and comes ready for adventure, equipped with a lift kit, BF Goodrich Offroad Tires, 17-inch alloy wheels, and a factory hood scoop. Around back, the Tacoma is equipped with a tow package, color-matched bumper, TRD Sport branding, and factory mudguards. The truck shows well from all angles, and the pickup's composite bed is in like-new condition and includes a 120-volt power outlet. This Tacoma is ready for work or play with a black grille, projector beam headlights, LED running lights, and fog lights that give the truck a purpose-built look. Inside the truck is spacious and well designed. Comfort features include premium cloth upholstery, climate control air conditioning, heated seats, cruise control, tilt steering with a leather-wrapped wheel, power windows and locks, and an AM, FM, CD, SAT radio display audio system with Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, navigation, and a backup camera. The seats are nicely contoured and the double cab offers plenty of room in the back for passengers and gear, or fold up the seats and use the area for additional cargo space. The engine bay is factory fresh and power comes from a 3.5 Litre V6 mated to a 6-speed manual transmission and 4-wheel drive. Act fast if you want to drive this awesome TRD Sport home. Call today to book your test drive or stop by for a look. We're at 1200 Leathead Road in Kelowna.